In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner as a Kanban board. This method is an excellent way to streamline your team's workflow, organize tasks, and enhance productivity using Microsoft's powerful suite. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft 365 account. This access allows you to take full advantage of the integrated features Microsoft offers across its platforms. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Planner application. You can find it within the app list on your Microsoft 365 dashboard, and clicking it will introduce you to this versatile tool. When you're in Planner, start by creating a new plan. Give your plan a descriptive name, something that encapsulates the project or goal you're working towards. Naming your plan is crucial as it helps everyone involved immediately understand its purpose. If you prefer, you can link it to an existing Microsoft 365 group or team, making collaboration seamless by bringing everyone on the same page. For more flexibility, you can either choose from existing templates or design one tailored to your current project. Templates can be a great starting point if you're new to using Kanban boards. Next, organize your plan into categories or phases, often referred to as buckets. These buckets could represent stages of your project or different workflows within the team. Within each bucket, add individual tasks. It's important to provide as much detail as possible, include a task name, set a due date, and assign team members who'll be responsible for completing the task. Assigning tasks ensures accountability, making it clear who is responsible for what. Additionally, you should establish both start and end dates for each task to help manage deadlines effectively. Monitoring the status of each task is simplified in Planner, allowing you to observe whether a task is not started, in progress, or completed. For more comprehensive oversight, use Planner's chart features to visualize progress over time. Attach any relevant documents or files directly to tasks to keep all necessary information within arm's reach. By categorizing tasks with labels based on priority or other criteria, it becomes easier to see what's most urgent at a glance. Moreover, you can filter tasks based on various attributes such as due date or assigned member to view specific segments of your project. You can also view tasks across a calendar layout, which is immensely helpful for understanding deadlines in a more visual format. To get a big picture view, the Planner Hub offers a helpful overview of all your plans and tasks, providing insights into overall progress. Adding your plans to your Outlook calendar can ensure your project deadlines are always top of mind, seamlessly integrating into your daily schedule. While Microsoft Planner is designed for team collaboration, it excels by allowing team members to work together within the context of the tasks. Through its chat feature, team discussions tied to specific plans can facilitate communication and progress tracking, making Microsoft Planner an invaluable tool for improving workflow and collaboration.